In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Cinema 4D for free, light, trial, and student options. If you've been wanting to explore 3D without committing to a full subscription, there are a few legitimate ways to get started with Cinema 4D at no cost. We'll cover the free Cinema 4D Lite that comes with Adobe After Effects, the 14-day free trial of the full version through the Mauen app, and options for students to get educational licenses. First, Cinema 4D Lite. This is included with a commercial installation of Adobe After Effects and gives you a functional, though limited version of the software. It's perfect for motion graphics basics, learning the interface, and integrating 3D elements directly into your After Effects pipeline. To use it, install After Effects on your computer. Once it's installed, you can launch Cinema 4D Lite from within After Effects. You may see a prompt to sign in or create a free Maxon account. That's normal and helps manage your licenses. If you prefer, you can also create that free account directly through Maxon to keep your access organized. Keep in mind that Lite does not include every tool from the full version, but it's a solid way to learn core workflows without extra cost. Next, the 14-day free trial of the full Cinema 4D. This is ideal if you want to test everything Cinema 4D can do, from advanced modeling and animation to dynamics and rendering. To get it, download the Maxon app and start the 14-day trial for all Maxon products, which includes Cinema 4D. The trial automatically expires after 14 days, and no payment information is required to start it, so there's no surprise charge at the end. Use this window to explore the features that go beyond Lite and decide whether the full version fits your needs. If you're a student, there are educational licenses that can provide free or heavily discounted access to Cinema 4D. Check your eligibility through your institution or Maxon's education channels. You'll typically need to verify your academic status, and once approved, you can learn on the same tools used by professionals. A couple of quick tips as you choose. Keep your software up to date for the smoothest experience and organize your projects so you can transition easily if you decide to move from Lite to the full version. Most importantly, pick the option that aligns with your goals. Lite for integrated learning with After Effects, the trial for full feature exploration, and education licenses if you qualify. That's it. Now you're ready to get Cinema 4D for free and start creating.